Hi guys. So, this is not related to any of my ongoing vlogs. Pero this is an explanation video kasi explanation video, 'di ba? Pero dark yung nakikita nyo. Pero like quick explanation lang to as to why yung next na vlogs na makikita nyo is grabe yung naging time interval. So, yung last vlog na uploaded is from the last week of September to the first week of October. October 7, if I'm not mistaken. And it breaks my heart to crack this to you na yun na po yung last vlog na mapapanood nyo ng College Diaries for the year 2023. Kasi, unfortunately, yung videos ko ng buong October to first week of November got corrupted. Andun yung videos, like, andoon kung gaano sila kadami. It's over 270 plus na videos. Pero nung i-edit ko na siya, and tatapusin ko na sana yung 2023 vlog, ayun, nalaman ko na the file got corrupted. And hindi ko na siya ma-retrieve kasi after ko siyang ilipat from drive to a device, dinidelete ko na siya from the drive para naman to make space for the next videos. And that's what happened. Na-corrupt yung October to first week of November. And then second week of November at buong December, wala na. Hindi na ako nakapag-video or vlog ng kahit ano about my college journey. So, that ends everything for 2023. Sayang lang kasi ang laki nung gap niya. And it hurts kasi I know na meron sana talaga akong mailalabas. Siguro abot pa na 3 to 4 episodes yung na-corrupt na files before yung gap ng November to December. Pero, yeah. College Diaries episode 8 na yung magiging last for the year 2023. And the next episodes will be coming from year 2024 na. It's a 3-month gap. 1 month due to corrupted files and 2 due to hindi ko na naharap din talagang mag-video kasi nasiraan ako ng phone and everything else. So, that's the explanation sa napakalaking talon ng College Diaries episode ganaps natin. Yun lang guys. Thank you. I just felt the need to explain it. Yun lang. Bye-bye. Ciao!